Hey everyone, I just wanted to do this great review on the Olympia service cart, and I just love it, and I hope you consider getting it yourself. Let me show you how it works. First and foremost, it comes in one piece, fully assembled, so there's no assembly, and it's pretty light. It's not super light, but it's, I don't know, 25 pounds or something like that. And it's so easy to set up. Check this out. So you just get it from the tube. First off, it has wheels at the bottom. So what you do is you pull it apart, and voila, there it is. Now you gotta get this locking mechanism here down. It does take a little bit of strength to push this down, but once you push it down and it locks in, now you're not gonna worry about the tray collapsing. It has 4 wheels, so it moves in every direction. If you are pushing things, you wanna make sure, if you come to a little ledge or a ramp, you wanna move over it and lift it up, because it could topple over. And I liked it so much that I'm now doing this review. My wife used it this weekend. She was going to be carrying things into her niece's wedding shower, gifts, goodies, candy, and so forth. So I told her to use this, and she's like, wow, this is so great. She just took 1 trip instead of 3 trips. This morning I brought in a whole bunch of stuff in the car, went shopping, so I just put it all in my car.
Love it. Very nice. Easy to hold. Okay.
Okay, I just received this. A 150 pounds capacity service card, and I just find out when I open it that a rivet is missing or whatever goes at this side.